If you're gonna overtake stop traffic, make sure to do it slow and safe as possible. Things like this happen a lot. These bikers found back road with less traffic to practice their stunts, while after the angry Karen appeared and stopped their fun. Check it out.
She was actually like amazed. You okay? Sorry? I doubt anyone's going to be going 60 down here. Listen, I'm just practicing. I don't mean to cause any harm. You can ask me politely. You're in front of your kid. Oh, do you live in this bush right here or something? Come on, man, just be polite. Oh, listen, I will happily move. I'm just trying to practice. I'm doing something positive. I'm trying to practice. Huh? Phone the police, you flipping idiot. I feel sorry for your f***ing kid. Boring old. Hey, she's calling the police, so just hide your plate if you can. You need to find something better to do with your time. Huh? We ain't causing no harm to no one and you want to do something like that? I feel sorry for you. I'm leaving to get out of your hair and so we don't waste anyone's time. We clearly see that it's not welcome here. We thought it wasn't busy, so we thought, you know, well, I'll practice. Listen, you need to be a good example to your child and handle situations better. Huh? Not prattling around. Not prattling around. You're holding up the traffic. You're causing more problems than I've ever caused. Sorry, you're gonna have to go past her. She got a bit emotional because we come here to practice. Anyway, I just check on her, make sure she's calm. Yeah? Yeah. Ready? That was eventful. I went over to her because I was thinking she was saying something positive. I was like, hey, you alright? I thought she liked the wheelies. And I thought she was filming me because she liked it. So she's trying to film my fucking number plate.
This biker found funny way to make random people's day better.
What's up?
I should have got this up camera.
That's for you.
Oh yeah, man, appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries. There's a Subway gift card, a couple bracelets, and a sticker in there.
Oh yeah, man, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
What's when you ride?
Yep.
I'll look you up, I'll give you a follow.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yep. Oh, that's for you. Happy Halloween. I love like pulling an egg out. That's so funny. I don't think people expect it. Ah, see you, Kappa.
Yes, sir. I'm good.
That's for you.
What is it?
It's just an egg. I'm celebrating Halloween.
There's something in it.
Open it up. It's fine. It's not gonna hurt you. I promise.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Dude,
You have a good one.
have a good weekend, buddy.
Go ahead.
Yep. Thank you. Hey. Happy Halloween. Too.
One hour later.
Cuidado, cuidado. Ai,
Just lay down, just lay down, just lay down, just lay down. Lay down, lay down, just lay down, you're okay. Lay down, lay down. Just relax, just stay there for a second, okay? Just. Are you okay? Y'all relax.
Biker that filmed this video said that everyone involved in this accident is okay, and also that this video is meant to be viewed, not critiqued, because they know what they did wrong. And also he advises everybody to wear gear. It would not have saved the wreck, but it would have hurt much less.
a huge piece of something over here. Where was it? Let me not get hit, please. Don't hit me. Is it yours?
No, I saw it here. I was gonna come. I felt bad. Oh. We'll throw it in the back of the trailer though.
Yeah, it looks like it came off a small trailer. It's got a license plate. Almost just hit it.
No, I was seeing you with. I said, man, I tried to hold.
Well, man, I appreciate you.
Buddy.
Have a good day. Oh, hey, is it?
While lane filtering, this biker unfortunately hit the spikes on the truck wheel. Luckily, he managed to stay on the bike and drive himself to the closest hospital. Now I have a question. How the hell are those spikes legal? I found on the internet that those things are legal, but they must not stick out any further than your fender.
Sir, would you be able to help me?
What's up, man? What happened?
One leg is checked out.
Oh, dude.
We're getting him on.
Yeah, I think we're gonna take him to the ER.
You're gonna take him over.
Yeah, I'm gonna take him to the ER.
Make
Yeah.
sure his motorcycle.
Yeah, I gotta tell security. Can you tell security about the motorcycle?
Yeah.
Eita poxa, minha, olha lá. Minha nossa, o ônibus.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic Store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!